Are you ready to start a bullet journal for writers while crushing your 2021 goals? Today's tutorial, we will start with the Simple Writers Bulletin Journal spread. Subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to be notified every time I post a video every Tuesday. I have a Facebook page that is dedicated to DIY crafts, home improvement projects, and fashion that you're able to join. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to start a bulletin journal for writing while crushing your 2021 goals? Today's tutorial, we will start with the Simple Writers Bulletin Journal. I will show you how to organize your writing, write your bulletin journal journey. When making a bulletin journal spread for writers, you can add a writing schedule and include a writing goal novel bulletin journal. If you are interested in bulletin journal for writers as an author, organize your novels and include a novel progress tracker and a writing goal bulletin journal for writers to keep you organized. And over in this portion of the bulletin journal, I just want to do a goal setting progress tracker. And I'm just going to put it down small because we don't need it really big. So we're just going to put goal tracker. So one thing also, that I also have a journal that is beside my bed so that if I have any dreams, any thoughts in the middle of the night about this book, I pull it up and then I'm able to jot things down before I forget it. Do you keep a writing journal beside your bed where you're able to write down information? If you do, comment down below. I wanted to show you what I did for my bulletin journals for writers. I am going to be creating a little children's book with my daughter because I created these little guys. They're out of homemade clay that I made, and my daughter thought they were so cute, so she named them Little Graphies. And so her and I are going to sit down and create a story about these guys. And so I wanted to have a structure for myself and just kind of set a timeline for us to complete it, and that is why I created these 2 pages. So the first page is going to be my timeline. I'm giving us 3 months just to sit down and play around with it, starting from February, March, and April, May. And then I also gave 4 weeks along with it. So week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Each of these I can put some goals and deadlines that we have accomplished or what we haven't accomplished and move on down. Now the next side, I did a brain dump page just so that we can sit down and just dump all her ideas on there so she can actually see what she's doing. And then we put a section for characters, setting, plot, and extra. And we're going to also use this little gadget to put all of the information in here so that we can set our date from February February, because we're gonna do it from February up until I think it's May, and then with an extension of June, just to get everything done. Okay, and that is it for my bullet journal for writers. My daughter and I created a book called Nellie Learns to Fly. I'll try and see if I can link it. I haven't put the book on Amazon yet, but definitely you can purchase the song. You can download the song. It's just a little jingle, my husband calls it, but it's cute. It goes along with the book. I wanted to just make sure that I continue on that portion of her creativity so it doesn't just end like that. Now that you know how to time block your bulletin journal, I have written a 5-page guide on different designing platforms that will help you take your creative juices out of your mind and put it on a digital platform. If you want to join a community of creative minds just like yourself, that I do have a Facebook page that you are able to go to and join. If you want to know more, you can check the link in the description box. Check out these videos next on bullet journal creator for your YouTube content, also time blocking for your bullet journal to view your views and your hourly productivity. Be sure to check out my next video coming up with your bullet journal dream log for your spiritual journey. Now, if you like this content, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share it with family and friends.